and you need to have something and a reason why somebody's going to divulge a lot of information to you that they normally would not. So Sandra, have you ever, you're married. Mm-hmm. I think I saw your ring.
Yep.
Okay. Did you go on a date with your husband?
Yes.
Okay. So think about this. If I just go down the street and I just start talking to a woman and I try having like an in-depth personal conversation, is that going to go over well?
When are you going to get it through your thick skull, Lorraine? You're my girl.
Or is it better if I take her out to eat and there's like a formal setting and there's a reason why we're sitting across from each other, and then I can have a little bit more in-depth personal conversations and ask her some of these questions, right?
Yeah.
So
sure.
What I'm always looking for in the first 15 to 30 seconds on a phone call with somebody is, what is the reason why they should stay on the phone with me? What is the reason they should sit down to eat with me and have a personal conversation? Okay.
What was the reason for him?
You tell me, what was the reason why this guy wanted to stay on the phone with me?
He wanted $60K. He thought
he wanted $60,000.
Yeah.
Write that down. Is I would look for a reason why somebody should date you. And you naturally have charisma and you naturally have the ability to talk to people, but you need to have a hook. You need to have a reason why somebody's going to stay on the phone with you, and you need to have something and a reason why somebody's going to divulge a lot of information to you that they normally would not.
I want you to spill your guts. Tell us everything.
Yeah, he was just spewing. That was amazing.
Believe me, how many times I can tell you, I've been on phone calls with my student sellers, and we get off. This is now thousands of phone calls. And the students will listen to the call and go, I didn't get 1% of what you got out of that person. Because I asked them on a date politely.
I'm your density.
I brought them to the dinner table. I brought the food, and I gave them a reason to sit down there and give me all the information.